Hi guys, welcome back to Creative Swatches, and this is Anya. I hope you all are doing well. Today we are unboxing the most popular brush pen brand of India. Yep, I'm talking about Camlin Brush Pens. You can easily purchase them from any local stationery shop near your house or just go online. Here I have a set of 12 brush pens that I got from Amazon for INR 150. Okay, so let's try them out together, and before this guys, quickly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned till the end. These are my first calligraphy brush pens and I'm super excited to use them. Before this I have never used any kind of brush pens. I'm 100% beginner. I've tried doing fox calligraphy many times during my school time projects and all, but doing fox calligraphy is very different thing if I compare it to brush pen calligraphy. Brush pen calligraphy is far better and much more exciting.
Think I'd be fine with losing my hearing, 'cause both of my ear canals are still searing from your words. You know I don't wanna stop interfering, but I wonder if all that's gonna do is make it worse. I think I'd be wrong to blame it all on you. Couldn't have known I wanted more than you could give, and though I never asked for anything from you, I was hoping I would.
Guys, I'm really enjoying these vibrant shades and no doubt they are very pigmented. This is 75 GSM sheet and they are going well on it. They are quite soft, they are quite affordable, and the tip of the brush pen is very flexible, which helps to create that watercolor effect. As I told you before, I have a set of 12 brush pens, but they are also available in 6 and 24 vibrant colors. You can also use them for making watercolor paintings, not watercolor paintings, paintings with watercolor effects.
I never wanted it to go that way. I'm so foolish, wasting my time on you, thinking we'd end up together one day. Lady, you can carry on weeping, but your tears gonna hit the floor, 'cause my shoulder won't be there for you no more. Won't be there for you no more.
Guys, if you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.